Welcome to my YouTube channel. This production. Look, please do me a favor. Subscribe. Give me a subscribe. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Come on. Click on it. Click on it. And make sure you turn on the notification bell, okay? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about top 10 cars Haitians drive the most. Number 1, Toyota. Toyota, man. Haitian conduit Toyota unpil. You know what? I think Toyota should give the Haitian community I don't know, a certificate or a reward, something. Parce que Haitian conduit Toyota plus que toute l'autre nation. I think. M'pense Haitian conduit Toyota plus que toute l'autre nation. So Toyota say you not top number 1 cars Haitians drive the most, believe it or not. Number 2, Honda. Haitians love Honda. Okay, if it's not a Toyota, you gotta be Honda. Trust me. It's like, hey, what kind of car you driving, man? Honda, because it's not a Toyota. Anyways, let's move on. Number 3, Nissan. Haitians love Nissan. No matter what, it's gotta be either one of those 2 cars that I said first, or it's gonna be a Nissan. So these cars, they drive them the most. So since it's gonna be 10 of them, well, let's keep going. Number 4, Chevrolet. Haitians drive that a lot too, right? We drive Chevrolet too. Okay, Chevrolet. Nous conduit Chevrolet en pile. Alright. Number 5, Mazda. Yep, Mazda. Let me tell you how much Haitians love Mazda. I have this friend, and her parents didn't call her any other name but Mazda, and they spelled it the exact same way. Her parents didn't find any other name to give her. They call her straight Mazda. I know Mazda are gonna be mad right now watching this video, but that's how much they love Mazda. And then it's like, hey, you know what, baby? We're gonna call her first daughter Mazda. Hey, here we go. Anyways, let's move on. Number 6, and you know what? These cars, I'm gonna tell you exactly how the way Haitians say it, exactly the way they pronounce it. Okay? Isuzu Toupe. Haitians love this kind of car. I don't know why. Ask me. I don't know, but they love them. Number 7, I'm gonna tell you exactly how they say it. All right? Mitsubishi. I just got a Mitsubishi. All right? That's how they pronounce. Okay, let me stop. Let's move on. Number 8. Oh man, Jeep. Haitians love Jeep, man. Even me, I like Jeep, man. I like Jeep, but I don't have one, and I don't have any of those names that I just said here. Number 9 is one of the expensive car, Mercedes-Benz. That's how they say it. Mercedes-Benz. You see my mouth? Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to buy a Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, you surprised? Yeah, they drive expensive cars too. Okay, Mercedes-Benz. Okay, they drive them too. Mercedes-Benz. Number 10. You wanna know how they say it? Lexus. Just like that. Lexus. Lexus LX7. Anyways, these are the top 10 cars Haitians drive the most. Okay, believe it or not, please click on subscribe. All right, yeah, it's right here. Click on it. Don't be lazy. Come on, give me a subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Bang.